What's going on, everyone? Congratulations to everyone who swung Tesla over the weekend, everyone who anticipated a good deliveries number over the weekend on Sunday. Now, I hope you guys are all going to enjoy this week, enjoy some time away, enjoy the holiday, celebrate, do whatever you guys need to do to decompress. But let's take a look at the chart here. We're looking at the daily chart now. Tesla finished up 7% on the day, up $18. Fantastic move. It also provided a couple of intraday setups, not only that you could have traded long as well as short, and obviously anyone who swung made fantastic money. So what we're looking at here, if we just kind of go back in time, we had this big back test that came right back down into our 20 SMA. Again, if you guys know technical analysis and understand these levels and how important they are, when we came down here and tested this 20 SMA and never put in a low and closed below, this was your dip buy opportunity here in the price range of anywhere between 240 and around 250. This was a fantastic zone. Now, obviously, we traded all the way up to 284. That was also another fantastic area to start taking your profits. We actually today touched the upper Bollinger Band here, and I kind of marked out this channel now. Now, what this gap up did on these delivery numbers, it was create a huge gap, right? So now we've got this gap below 274.70 all the way back down to at least 264. What I will be looking at the rest of the week is if we do start to break down this level and we do not hold, I will be looking for a short-term trade here to the downside and just trying to take my profits on the way down as we close this gap. Mind you that the 5 and 10-day moving average are going to continue to rise and act as rising support. If we do continue to the upside, your macro breakout is 284.26, and we will be looking at the 1 hour time frame, especially like if you look at the 284 to 285 area, we've got some supply here at the linear regression, and then our next supply zone over that is going to be 288. So if we do take out today's highs, I would be looking for a 288 price target before another significant pullback. Now, this channel that we're in here, we're going to need to consolidate, as right now we are creating a little bit of a flag pattern to the top side. So again, keep the 285 level on breakout. Our support is sitting down here at around 272. So if we do decide to start losing 275, 274, you have a potential for a scalp into this rising 20 at around 272. And then below that, we've got support at 271. Anything below 271, we do have room down to 266. Those are the levels and the important levels that you're going to need to keep an eye on for Tesla for the rest of the week, going into next week. Again, if you guys want some more clarification on how I use my supply and demand zones, you guys are looking to trade with myself and the team each and every single day live, make sure you sign up at evolutiontraders.com. We can schedule a one-on-one coaching call to kind of go over the strategy and go over a trading plan that's tailored to you based on your account size. We can also talk all sorts of things, my daily watch list, how I'm picking these stocks, what I'm looking for, my price targets, my exits, all of that stuff. If you guys are interested in getting funded with fantastic prop firms that I'm funded with to kind of add on to that additional revenue, kind of cash flow at to the bottom line of my kind of trading profits, because I trade options almost 80% of the time. That's my full-time bread and butter. But at 20% of the time, I'm also trading futures with these prop firms to kind of add that extra revenue, because anytime we can collect an extra paycheck a month, it's always fantastic. So again, check those out down in the link below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys all in the next video.